for Jupyter class. Yeah, this one hit. What is the purpose? Apa tujuan Serjuan make computer project in typing.com? I want every student can improve your typing skill using keyboard from typing.com. Ya, untuk meningkatkan, improve, ya, kemampuan mengetik kalian menggunakan keyboard di dalam typing.com. That's the purpose, tujuan daripada computer project untuk mid-term second semester. Okay, and then student, you can see here, please finish your computer project. Deadline is on Friday. Yeah, on Friday, on March 2022. Deadline. So this Friday, yeah, this Friday, kid, this week, computer project you must have done, harus sudah selesai. Okay, student, you can see here, yeah, correct sitting posture while typing. This is the correct sitting. Ya, jadi ini cara duduk yang bagus ya, Kit. Iya, ini kurang bagus ya. Ya, jangan terlalu bungkuk gini, tapi harus tegak. Ya, tegak like this. Ya. Okay, student, we continue. Yeah, how the way to open your typing? Yeah, the way is please open your browser. Yeah, I believe every student have ever logged in. Yeah, have ever logged in this one. Pernah masuk. Yeah. Open your browser, typing, ketik di typing like this one, typing.com, and then enter. After you enter, you can see this one. Yeah, choose this one, student login. Don't choose this because you are not teacher. Yeah, don't use this. Use student login. And don't. Ya, ini sign up now. Ini juga cannot. Don't use this. Ya, ini nanti bukan masuk ke username kalian. Jadi kamu typing, tapi progressnya not. I cannot see your progress. Iya. Iya. Jadi you must login student login because you are student. And then after you student login, select this one. Yeah, you need to enter your username. Jason, you remember what is your username? Huh? Yeah, Jupyter 10. Steven? Forget. You can see here. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Jason, Jupyter -10 and the password Jupyter. Ya, semua same, password all same. Iya, and then here, Steven, you can see here, Jupyter 19. Yeah. And then later I make I make yours. Okay. If you forget your username and your password, you can chat Serjuan. I will give to you. Yeah. After that, don't forget. Yeah, type here first your username. Just now, Steven, Jupyter -19. Okay, and then click next. Yeah, click next. And then you
screen tadi yang tadi.
Ya, Talita?
Screen Talita masih yang tadi.
Talita, I don't
Screennya, Sir, masih yang hitam tadi, Sir. Yang dia perpindahan slide satu ke slide yang satunya lagi, Sir.
So how now?
Oh, already, Sir, already.
Okay, maybe your connection, yeah. Okay. Okay, I believe Talita already understand about this one because you have complete your typing, yeah. Yeah. This is repetition. Ini pengulangan, especially for the student never login atau seldom. Ya, maybe forget how to login. Okay, after that, don't forget to type here your password. Yeah, Jupyter all same. Yeah, password is Jupyter. And then click next. Don't forget click this one next. After that, yeah. After you type your password, click next in here. Yeah, Steven, Jason, pay your attention. See the screen. Yeah, like this one. Nurfatia. You have seen like this?
Yes, sir.
Iya, good. Letter, ya letter. E, Jason, Steven, Angel, ya letter. If you open your typing, all of you, ya whoever, if you open your typing now, you directly see this one, computer project. Ya, computer project in typing.com, grade 5. That's good, Talita. Nurfatia, can you read?
Can, sir.
Okay, please.
Computer project for midterm 2. Please do this computer project as good as possible.
Yeah. That's after that state, click this one. Kamu klik start langsung. So you do your computer project. After 1 minute, setelah 1 menit you typing, you type ya. After 1 minute you type, automatically closed. Dia otomatis terclose dia kit. And you can see here the score. Speed. Do you know speed in bahasa? Kecepatan. And akurasi apa kit in bahasa? Accuracy itu ketepatan atau kebenaran. So, if you type so fast, kalau kamu cepat mengetiknya, nilai speednya akan tinggi. Dan ketika kamu mengetik banyak yang salah, maka akurasinya rendah, nilainya rendah. Tapi kalau sedikit yang salah, akurasinya akan tinggi. Oke, Angels? You can see your screen. Oke, jadi ini kit, automatically, secara otomatis. And this assignment 1 minute only. Jadi mengetik 1 menit, terclose otomatis. Yeah. But you can repeat until 10 times. Yeah, the example. Oh, sir, the first typing I only get 20 speed. Speednya only 20. I want to increase. Jason, I want to increase. Saya mau meningkatkan nilai saya, mau menaikkan nilai saya. So you can repeat. You can repeat until 10 times. And Sir Juan will take the highest score from them. Understand? Gimana maksudnya? Bisa diulang 10 kali? Ya, kamu bisa mengulang mengetik 10 kali. Tadi kan 1 menit aja sekali main. Sekali typing 1 menit. Kamu bisa mengulang lagi sampai 10 kali. Dan Sir Juan akan melihat dari yang ke-10 itu, yang paling tinggi di antara yang 10 itu yang Sir Juan take skornya. Understand, kid? You are at home. Paham kira-kira di sini?
Understand, sir.
Understand, sir. Understand ya? Okay, good. I continue. Yeah. So, how to repeat? Because later, Nurfatia, if you want to type second time, yang kedua kali, you don't see this one again. Kamu nggak akan lihat yang ini lagi. Kalau sudah kamu start, nanti ini hilang. Nggak akan kelihatan lagi. So, how to repeat? Bagaimana cara mengulanginya, sir? Ya, Steven, please pay your attention. How to repeat? You can click this one. Go back. Go back. And then, don't choose lesson, but you choose this one. What is this? Apa ini, Kit? Test. You choose test. After you choose test, you can see this one. Ada start test. Yang 1 minute, ya Kit, is 1 minute, no 3 minute, no 5 minute. You choose 1 minute. Jadi yang dipilih yang 1 menit. After that you klik start. Setelah kamu klik start, maka akan langsung otomatis mulai. Ya ini ya, klik ya choose test, don't choose lesson, choose test, and then choose this one. Start 1 minute. Ya, like this one. Oke, Nurpatia, you raise hand.
Sir, tadi kan Fatia kan mau kerjain apanya, Sir, apa typing.com-nya, Sir. Terus Fatia klik beginner, Sir. Terus kok tiba-tiba disuruh ngetik yang V, Sir? Kan biasanya kan dipilih dulu gitu, Sir.
Don't choose beginner. Berarti choose yang test, Nurpatia. Don't choose lesson. Itu Nurpatia pasti di lesson. Bagian atas, don't choose lesson. Choose test. Ya, jadi kalau di lesson memang ada beginner, but in test no have beginner. Ready, Ken? Nurfatia, it's better if you do after school. Nanti setelah belajar baru kamu kerjakan. Kamu mulai startnya. Supaya lebih fokus. Oke, Nurfatia?
Oke, Sir.
Yeah. Okay, student, look at this. Sir Juan can see your typing history. I will take the high score from your typing. Yeah, the example this one. I type 18 January 11:53. Ini jamnya. Jam 11:44 sudah juga mengetik. Speednya 53, this is 51, accuracy 98, 96. So, Sir Juan will take which one? Yang mana, Sir Juan?
Yang pertama, Sir.
Yang pertama, this one. Ya, yang paling atas ya.
Ya, Sir.
Ya, like that. Jadi don't worry. Jadi jangan takut. I already type the first. Dapat skor. Later the second time dapat nilai yang lebih rendah pula saya. Takut. No. Don't worry ya. Mau yang pertama, yang kedua, ketiga lebih rendah, tetap Sir Juan take yang paling tinggi, the highest score. Okay, student, look at this. The project scoring. Ya. Maybe in PDF file ini masih 30 ya, 30. But Sir Juan change. Karena 30 itu terlalu tinggi. I already see your score in typing, daily typing. Itu most of you in 20. Jadi Sir Juan turunkan. Speednya, if you get this one, 20 equal greater than 25. And you accuracy 91 until 100, you get score here. If you get score here, kid, maka kamu sudah mendapat project nilai A. Ya, this is your project. If you get here, speednya 20 and until 24, you get score B. If here you get C and here D. Ya, rendah sekali. Itu speednya 10. Speednya itu 10 terlalu lambat. Maka kid, if you want to get A, kamu latihan, you must get speed in here. 25 atau di atasnya. And accuracy 91 until 100. So you get a score di antara ini dan nilai itu sudah A. Understand about scoring? Understand?
Sir, gimana kalau speed kita 25, terus akurasi kita itu masih 41. Jadi macam mana, Sir?
Okay, the question from Talita. Sir, how if speed 25 but accuracy 81? Like that?
Yes, Sir.
Okay, berarti dia belum dapat nilai A. Belum dapat nilai A. So, di sini Sir Juan mengambil penilaian itu dari keduanya, dari speed dan akurasi. Bisa saja dia cepat, asal diketik aja, salah-salah. Asal diketik aja cepat, tapi salah semua. Speednya tinggi, tapi akurasinya rendah. Maka harus seimbang, Kid. Speed harus cepat, akurasi harus tepat. Jadi berusahalah di sini, Kid. Ya. Ya, Talita, jadi nilainya speednya tinggi, Sir, but akurasi di sini belum dapat nilai A. And also Sir Juan akan memberikan nilai tambahan. Ya, Serjuan akan lihat juga dari daily typing kalian. Yang assignment itu, Kit. Kalau complete selalu always complete, itu akan ada nilai tambahan dari situ. I give. Understand? Yang maksudnya typing sehari-hari. Understand?
Understand, sir.
Oke. Ya, sir. Ini tadi Izan. The question from Izan. Sir. Ya, itu ada typing without computer. Ya, ini Kit. I give this one. Kenapa? This is for the student. Maybe. Sir, I don't have laptop. Sir, I don't have computer. Hah? Iya. Sir, I don't have laptop. Sir, I don't have computer. Sir, I don't have smartphone. Sir, I don't have Android. Sir, I don't have Wi-Fi. So how can I do my typing? Because typing is online. Yeah, Sir Juan give this one. If you cannot do with computer, with laptop, you can choose without computer. Draw this one on a paper. Kamu gambar di kertas and make it as good as possible. Bisa diwarnain supaya lebih cantik, lebih bagus. Nah, keyboard, ini keyboard. Ya, seperti inilah pokoknya. Jadi ini menghafal, ini perlu juga penting. Ya, this little finger use for press Q, A, and Z. Ini dihafal supaya bisa mengetik 10 jari. Ya, this is very important ya. Ini juga penting. Ya, but Sir Juan hope all of us, kita semua berharap every student can do your project with computer atau with laptop. Jadi nggak usah menggunakan ini. Jadi kalau sudah mengerjakan yang di typing.com, ini nggak perlu lagi, Kit. No need again this one. Ya. Understand?
Understand, sir.
Okay. Izan, do you understand, Izan? Just now you have question about this.
I don't know how to make my accuracy to 100%.
You don't know how to make your accuracy high.
Like accuracy 100%. Sir.
Oh, enggak, no need 100. I think di antara 91 until 100. Di situ aja between 91 until 100 already good. But I hope don't below 91. Jangan di bawah 91. Kalau bisa 91 atau di atasnya. Nggak usah sampai 100. Dan speednya you must get 25.
I 92.
Hah?
I 92.
92.
Accuracy.
Speed?
Speed 31, sir.
31 speednya?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Berarti you already get A. Berarti nilai kamu sudah A itu. Okay, let's see. Student. Ya, we try ya. Kita coba dulu, Kit. Kita coba, we try first. Ya, Sir Juan now as a student. Coba Sir Juan contohkan. Sir Juan sebagai siswa dulu. Okay, you can see here. Ya, in Jupiter ada nggak Sir Juan? Okay, this one ya, Sir Juan. My username 25, Jupiter 25, and Jupiter ya password. Okay, let's see student. Ini Sir Juan sebagai siswa contohkan, saya contohkan. Okay, open your browser. After that, type here typing.com. Ya, typing.com, enter. Ya. Which one I choose, Kit? Yang mana saya pilih, Kit?
Student login, sir.
Student login, saya sebagai siswa. Nah. Ya, ini saya contohkan. Ya, I make the example. Student login, klik student login ya. And then Jupiter just now 25. Ya. Next, and password is Jupiter. Oke, next. Perhatikan, Kit. Automatically, Kit. Automatically, secara otomatis, Kit. You see this, right? Talit and Nurpatia just now. See this one also, yeah? Yeah. You see this one, computer project in typing.com grade 5. And this is for March ini deadline. Deadline ya, kid? Ya. You can click this one langsung. Langsung kamu ketik start. Klik start. After you click start, langsung ketik.
To begin,
start.
type
Kamu langsung mengetik ya, kid?
H.
Ya.
Oops, 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 oops,
Ya.
oops, oops,
Oke,
oops,
kid. Ini langsung diketik.
oops, C. N. Oops, oops. S. Oops,
Ini langsung otomatis
Yes.
1 minute
Overdrive.
otomatis close ya.
R.
Langsung
Oops.
dapat tutup.
Oops, oops. Is. Oops, oops. Oops,
1 minute. 1 minute. I already
oops, oops,
said
oops.
just now.
E. A. O. Oops, 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 oops. Congratulations,
Yeah, then
you have completed this typing test.
speed 62.
You spent 60 seconds, and your speed
Yeah,
averaged
and
62 words per minute
accuracy
with
is
95%
Fine.
accuracy.
Berarti dapat skor
Period.
nilai
To type the period
A.
key,
Ya, A ya. That's the way. Oh, sir, I want to increase my speed and my accuracy. So you can repeat until 10 times. Ya kan? Bisa diulangi sampai 10 kali. How to repeat? You can click this one. Click this. Go back. And then choose. Which one you choose? Don't lesson ya, tapi choose test. This, not lesson. Ini yang lesson untuk sehari-hari kalian. Choose test. Choose test. Yeah, after that choose this one. Start test yang 1 minute. 1 minute. Start.
to begin,
Oke,
type
langsung
the
lagi
word
ketik.
during. Oops, oops. O. C. Oops, oops. Comma. Oops, oops, oops.
Ya,
You
apanya
type comma.
ganti-ganti.
Oops, oops, oops.
Ya,
N. Oops, oops, oops. Up. S. F. C. Oops, oops. A. Oops, oops. N. A. Oops, space.
mana?
S. S. Volcano.
Ini sama.
Oh.
Saya nggak sama
Opening.
gitu.
O. As. Oops.
Oh iya.
Congratulations,
Ya,
you have completed
Makin
this
menurun.
typing test.
ya semakin
You
menurun.
spent 60
Oke,
seconds,
it's okay, no
and your
problem.
speed averaged 52 words
Tujuan
per minute with
take the highest score.
95%
Tujuan aku
accuracy.
tetap mengambil nilai yang
Space. To
tertinggi.
type the space
Don't
key,
worry if you want to repeat. Oh, nanti makin rendah. It's okay, no problem. Okay, sir, I'm tired, sir. I don't want to repeat again. The third, I want to repeat tomorrow or tonight. Can? Bisa? Bisa nggak, Kit? Can or not? Atau harus di-repeat 10 kali hari ini juga? Can or not, Talita? Can.
Can,
Ya.
sir.
Can ya. The example, I close. Close, keluar saya. Close. Oh, I want to repeat tonight or tomorrow. Udah besok. Ya, kan I already say Friday for March. Ya. Ini udah besoknya nih. Besoknya saya buka. I open. I open ya. Typing.com. Ini udah besoknya saya mengulangi lagi yang ketiga kali. And then student login. Student login. Just now Jupiter 25. Mine ya. Ini punya server 1. Jupiter. Ini nggak akan muncul lagi, Kit. Yang tadi, Kit. No have again ya. Ya Nurpati ya. Nggak ada lagi kelihatan di sini yang untuk proyeknya.
Sir, yang beginner, Sir, kalau yang udah dikerjain tulisannya nanti apa, Sir?
Ini nggak ada pengaruh, Nurfatia. Ini tetap seperti ini, biasa. Ya. Ya, makanya kalau if you want to repeat your computer project, kamu tekan ini, klik, kamu pilih yang test. Ah, jadi dah lain ini dia, Nurfatia. No lesson. Jadi kan di lesson. Ah, ini beginner, intermediate, advanced. Tapi kamu choose yang di test.
91, oke. Nilai 91 sampai 100.
Ya, and then kamu klik start. Pilih yang 1 minute test. Klik start. Ya, setelah itu bisa kita ulangi lagi.
To begin,
Ah,
type
ya Sam,
Oops.
yakin bisa kan?
oops, gamma, M, oops, you type E, oops, 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 you type oops, oops, M, I, X.
Ya, ini waktunya
To
sudah
type the
menit
X
lagi kita
key.
pause saja. Okay, that's the way how to repeat your computer project, student. Have question again? Coba kalau ada pertanyaan, let me know.
No, sir.
Okay, just now Izan have done Izan just now. I want to see Izan. Coba kita lihat Izan have done or not yet. Izan. Typing test. Wow, already done. Oh, good, Izan. You get the highest is 32 and the accuracy is 94. Ya, Izan udah dapat nilai A ini ya. Wow, good. Good, Izan ya.
Baru lu ya.
Oke.
Wow, bisa. Sir,
Oke.
I
Thank
just
you.
know I just typing and I got 35 WPM, sir.
35.
35.
Wah, good. That's good, Izan. Ya, berarti sudah ada contoh your friend already can do ya. Oke, student. Student, I think enough for today. Already 10:40. Yeah. I hope every student can do your computer project before Friday, before deadline Friday for March. Tanggal 4 Maret itu sudah deadline. Okay, thank you, student. Thank you for the attention. Keep healthy, keep spirit. Nice to see you again. See you. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.